What's going on, guys? Quick tool haul today. So I got these over the last couple days. I've already opened up from the package. I got this gear wrench set, the pivot point, side cutters, and then the needle nose, and then these OEMTOOLS needle nose dikes, and then the slip joints. Kind of disappointed I didn't get the red ones, but I did reach out to them and they said that I got the green because this is the new updated one. So all the old ones were the red, and then the new line is in green. But still not bad. I did pick up some new springs from Performance Tools for my air hammer. And while I'm on pliers, I guess I can show y'all some more stuff. So not too long ago, we got these max power water pump pliers. It's a 3-piece set. So it comes with this one, these three right here. Overall pretty nice. You just push the button, you can adjust it up and down. So pretty well made. Used it once so far in the bathroom while I was fixing some stuff. These doils are really nice, and for the price, I mean, you can't beat it. It's $18 a piece. I mean, even comparable if you go to Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, you're looking at spending at least between $35 and $40 for something comparable, like in a Husky or something. But obviously, as you see, I've been trying to keep with the red handles. It's just personal preference. I did start off with all these Husky ones, these black handle ones, but I'm trying to go old school. So that's why all the pliers that I've been acquiring here lately have the red handles. And obviously staying in budget, which is my main goal, is so you can obviously go with the Doyle brand from Harbor Freight, or with the Titan Pros, Titan Tools. These are the hose clamp pliers, the hose pliers, the long diagonal cutters. Here's an old Harbor Freight 90 degree that I had. It's held up so far. I think I had another one. It was probably the 45 degree. I broke it. So these are all the Titan Tool Pros, the 90, 45, and straight, and then the extended duckbill, and then the fencing pliers. This is by Crescent needle nose, precision needle nose. The Pittsburgh cutters, a Crescent Mini 4-inch tongue and groove plier, and these are Tool Pros Mini, Super Mini pliers. Titan Tools long needle nose. I always try to keep these decusant silica packs in my drawers with the sockets, pliers, and stuff like that. You don't get a lot of rust issues down here in Texas, but just in case. And then these are the 16-inch long reach pliers. For the price of these, I think the set was like $20-something for all three of these, and then these three were another 20-something, and same thing with the hose pliers. And then this one was like $10-11. I got this one actually at O'Reilly's, and then this one I paid, I think it was on clearance at Advanced Auto for $3 at one time. And then I got these metal snippers. Yeah, I mean, for the price and quality, they're not really bad at all. Got the end cutters here. Standard duckbill, standard length. These are the Doyle slip joints. Husky. This is the Husky set. Husky mule nose, slip joint, end cutter. Mac Tools spark plug boot. Or got this for a GM I was working. Used to have pistol grip needle nose from Husky, and then another 10-gauge plier. Yeah, that's my plier drawers, and these are the most recent additions I just picked up this week. Thanks, guys.